remember those days, those L's. I couldn't sleep right now. I get paid, vacay, I'm staying B-side. Breaking the blues over steak, I gotta eat right. You could be my peace sign.
Hey ladies, welcome to my channel. My name is Stephanie, and as you can see by the title, I am going to be doing a quick and easy crochet hair install. I already pre-washed and conditioned and moisturized my hair, and I'm so excited that it's still feeling really moisturized. And right now I'm just showing you some of my problem areas. I used to be really insecure about my edges. I've never had edges for as long as I can remember. Being a young girl, just they didn't grow in. And I remember being really insecure about that, but I'm not anymore. And I wanted to show you all this because I know there's so many women out there who feel the same way, but I just wanted to encourage you to rock your hairstyles. And I try to really focus on what I do have and really try to thrive in that area. And yeah, I just want to focus on building a healthy hair care routine so that my hair can flourish. But after I take this install out, I will be booking an appointment to get my ends trimmed. I think I'm going to do a little bit more than a trim though. I feel like I have just a bit of breakage and damaged hair that I want to just clip off. So yeah, I'm not someone who is really attached to having a length. I mean, yes, I do want to grow longer and healthy hair, but the key word is healthy. So right now I am parting my hair. Before I showed you the jam that I'm using. It's called Shine and Jam Magic Fingers by Braiders, and I'll put it in a description box below. And I'm going to be doing the Y style braids because they are shaped like a Y, which you will see in a moment. So basically, I just part the hair in the front in 2 braids, and then I'm going to braid those 2 braids or connect those 2 braids into one big braid in the back. And I like doing it this way because I feel like it looks more natural for the install, because it actually the part doesn't actually go all the way back, so those 2 braids kind of stop that part in the front, so it looks more natural to me that way. And I've done this braid install for ever. You know, I don't change up my braid installs. This is the only way I really know how to braid my hair, and I'm not the best. I do have some struggle braids, and I'm not the best parter neither. So if you someone who don't really think you can braid or part, it's okay. It's still going to turn out cute. And another thing, you don't have to braid tightly in order for your install to be neat or it to last, because I do not braid my hair tight at all. And that's one thing that I really stress too. I don't want to put too much tension on my hair, especially my edges. But yeah, that is the braids. And then this hair I'm testing it out for the first time. This is some new hair that I got in because I am going to be starting my own crochet hair business, and I am super excited about that. I have been wanting to do this for a very long time, and this hair, so far so good. Right now, as I'm recording this voiceover, I've had the install in for about a week, and I am pleased with the quality of the hair thus far. I am going to be wearing the hair as long as I can. I'm going to be washing it and doing all the things to it to make sure it's some really good quality hair. And I'm also going to be ordering more colors in this hair as well. So I'm super excited. If you would love to be one of the first people to know when I launch this hair business and just be a privy to all of the things that's going to go on behind the scenes of me building this business, and I would definitely encourage you to join my email list, and you can do so by just downloading the guide that I had created, and it's called The Real Reason Why Protective Styles Aren't Growing Your Hair. And this guide is just going to help you tremendously when it's come to taking care of your natural hair under protective styles. So if you're looking for a hair care routine, you're looking for products to use while you are wearing your protective styles, I list some of my product recommendations that I love and really works with keeping your hair moisturized up under any protective style. So that's all in the guide. I also list some common myths that I hear about protective styling, and then also you'll have access to a private Facebook group about crochet here. So if interested, again, the link is down in the description box below. Again, you'll be added to my email list and be have access to even more tips and support about protective styling and natural hair, and also self-care as well.
Going tonight, paradise, paradise. I'm taking you to paradise, paradise. I don't even care about the price, yeah. Paradise, paradise. I'm taking you. Come and take a seat next to me, babe. Let this pretty view take your breath away. Baby, we deserve a break from our old ways. Anywhere's home when you're with me. Come and take a seat next to me, babe. Let this pretty view take your breath away. Baby, we deserve a break from our old ways. 'Cause I'm taking you to paradise, paradise. You know where we're going tonight. I need a little break from the city. It's been so long since we've been gone. I wanna feel that summer feel, but I don't wanna go if you ain't with me. Let's make a home.
So I installed about 4 packs, well, all 4 packs of the hair that I'm trying out. And I really could have used another pack. I like it to be really full and thick. So next time I install this hair, I'm going to install another pack, especially on the sides. I felt like the sides weren't as full as I like them to be, but I still love it. I still think it turned out really cute. I did go ahead and cut some of the hair off, and just kept cutting to my liking. And even off camera, I did a lot of cutting as well, because it was like 2:30 in the morning when I was doing my hair. So I was like, you know what, I'm just going to do some cutting now and then finish in the morning. So that's exactly what I did. So this is basically how I wrap my hair up at night when I'm wearing crochet braids. I just use a scarf to wrap around my edges, and then I will take a extra large bonnet and put over my hair, and I'm good to go.
Going tonight.
And this is the final result. I'm really loving the hair, like I said, so far. And if you are interested in being one of the first to know about when this hair becomes available, don't forget to download the guide and join my email list. And join the email list to just join me on this journey of opening up this business. I really appreciate all input and suggestions, and thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and I will see you again in my next video. Bye-bye.
Let this pretty view take your breath away. Baby, we deserve a break from our old ways. 'Cause I'm taking you to paradise, paradise. You know where we're going tonight. Paradise, paradise. I'm taking you to paradise, paradise. Remember those days, those L's, I couldn't sleep right now. I get paid, fake games, staying B-side. Breaking the blues over steak, I gotta eat right. You could be my peace sign.